friends, this is Kunal Keswani from Kavita Corporation. Now again we are going to install a new product of Versace brand, YD 1900. This is a floor stand. It is suitable for interactive panels, heavy TVs, and the smart boards also. They have the lock wheels as well if you want to use it for the video conferencing or any kind of classes. This is a very suitable and a good product. And the product weight capacity is 120 kg, which is very good for you, and you can use it in a very uh, properly, and this is a very suitable product. If you want any kind of if you have any kind of inquiry, if you want single pieces or number of pieces, we can deliver it to you at your own place. You can directly contact us on the below number, so we can tell you about the installation of this product.